Now, that's it for this course section. In this course section, we learned some more advanced features. For example, we learned about testing asynchronous code with callbacks or promises. And we learned about different approaches and different pitfalls regarding that. And we had a look at those hooks, at the before all, before each, and after all hooks. You learned which problem can be fixed with help of those hooks, how those hooks should be used then, and how those hooks are executed by VTest and also by Jest. Using these hooks can sometimes be very useful for the reasons mentioned in this section, and therefore it's definitely a feature you should be aware of. Speaking of that, we also learned about the concurrent method, which can be called on it or test or describe to make sure that all the tests that have this annotation or all the tests that are in a suite that has this annotation are executed in parallel, which can speed up the time it takes to execute the tests, especially when working with a large number of tests. Now, as always, I do of course also recommend that you also dive into the official documentation and also the official API reference to learn about all the annotations you can add, to learn about all the different expect to methods you can use for different use cases, and to learn about all the nitty-gritty details in general. Because this course is a course that should get you started with unit testing in general. If you then pick a specific test runner and assertion library you want to use, you should always consult the documentation of that test runner or library so that you get the most out of it.